Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Christmas and holiday story videos and kid story videos in just a few minutes. So here you can use three different modes: easy, advanced, and hyper. Easy mode is perfect if you want an automated solution. You just need to add your keywords and it will create a full story in just a few minutes. With advanced mode, you have more control. You can add and customize story images, subtitles, transitions, and in hyper mode, you can add intros and outros and select different aspect ratios. For now, we are going to use hyper mode for this example. Here, give your story a name. Let's call the Little John. Helpful nature. Christmas story. Let's see. The app will generate few different versions of the story that you can select. So here, 3 stories have been generated. You can go and select the one that you like. Let's see, I want this one. So I'm just going to click on select, and here we are going to generate images for it. You can say I want high quality images. I will click on search. So all these images have been generated, and if you want to create different images, you can click on the search again, and new set of images will be created. And here you can upload your own images. And here with text to video, it will select images and videos on its own and create a video for you. For now, we are going to use AI images, and we'll see how does it come up. Okay, let's try and create a different set of images once again. So I'm going to select these images, and we'll see how the video will turn out. Click on next. And here you can select the language. I want the English language. You can select the voices here. Let's say I'm going to use Ava and I want it to be 16:9. You can use this for shorts and this other aspect ratio for different social media sites. Transition, let's select burn. It's fine. Here you can add your intro and outro if you have one. It could be image or a video. Here you can add any background music you want. Let's say, I want this beautiful soup. You can also upload your own background music. Here we have some really incredible subtitle text styles. They are pretty amazing and we love them. They look great. I am going to use this one over here. You can also go and change the text style. You can change the colors, font, size, everything here. And once you're satisfied, click on create a story. And in just a few minutes, your story will be rendered and you can see the video here. Okay, so let's see if our video that we created is rendered or not. Okay, so the story is ready and let me show you how it looks like.
In the little village of Evergreen, a young boy named Little John was known for his extraordinary heart and helpful nature. Evergreen was beautiful during Christmas, with every home glowing under twinkling lights, except for old Mr. Thompson's house at the end of the lane. On Christmas Eve, as snowflakes danced through the air, Little John noticed that Mr. Thompson's home was the only one that bore no festive decorations or joyous lights. Curious and concerned, he decided to pay the old man a visit.
Okay, so I hope that you really liked that video. Let me show you one more video that I created.
In the heart of a snowy town, little Tommy waited eagerly by the window, his eyes scanning the skies for a glimpse of Santa Claus. This Christmas was special. Tommy had made a big decision. He would stay up all night to meet Santa, a secret wish flickering in his heart. As the clock struck midnight, the soft jingle of bells filled the air. With a gasp, Tommy saw a sleigh descending onto his snowy lawn. In a flash, he was outside, tiny boots crunching in the snow. Santa, with his jolly red suit and twinkling eyes, stepped down. He chuckled deeply, ho 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 ng, as he saw Tommy. "And what are you doing up so late, young man?"
And here's another video.
It was a cold winter evening, and little Timmy was eagerly waiting for Christmas to arrive. As he sat by the fireplace, he couldn't help but think about all the presents he would receive. But Timmy's parents had been emphasizing on the importance of good habits versus bad habits. Timmy knew he had a mix of both good and bad habits. He loved helping his mom with chores and always said, "Please," and "Thank you." These were his good habits that his parents were proud of. But Timmy also had a bad habit of procrastinating and leaving his toys scattered around the house.
I hope you really like these videos, and now you can go and create such videos in just a few minutes and upload them on YouTube. Use our strategy and generate tons of views, commissions, and sales. So thank you so much, and I will see you inside.